In the first century, the master, the employer, did not pay the steward or the employee a wage. Instead, the steward made his money by adding his fees onto the bills of his master's debtors, the customers. When the debtor received the bill from the steward, he did not know what amount on the bill belonged to the master and what amount belonged to the steward. Only the steward knew. When the debtors paid their bill to the steward pocketed his portion of the bill and then forwarded the remaining money to his master. This is also why the Jewish tax collectors were so despised in the first century. A Jewish tax collector employed the same process. The tax collector not only collected Roman taxes, but would also add a fee on top of the taxes that the tax collector would then pocket for himself. That was how the tax collector made money. If he charged outrageous fees, he made a lot of money. As this steward was called unrighteous, we can assume he was placing an extraordinarily high amount on the bills for his fee in order to make large amounts of money at the expense of his master and his master's debtors. However, when he found out that he was going to be fired, he took the debtor's bills and reduced or eliminated the amount owed to him, thereby currying favor with these debtors in hopes that one of them may hire him due to his perceived generosity. In this, the manager was commended. After this dishonest manager was called out for his behavior, he removed his excessively inflated fees from the debt collections. So the manager was then only collecting what was really owed. The debtors were happy because they felt like they got a discount, and the master was happy because he received full payment of the debts.